Yeah, I'm on live.
You know, I gotta admit, it's a lot better than you. I like when the water tower works.
I can't even see the water tower. Yeah, I can now.
I know where we could have gone, and I forgot all about asking you.
What?
We could have gone to Moon's house.
Memo's house?
No, Moon's. He lives right next to the fire.
I'd be talking his head off because
Tony's at.
I would have been talking his head off because he ain't seen me all the time. He'd be talking my head off.
Watching?
Yeah.
Are you recording?
Yeah, I'm living.
Do you even see anything?
I'm streaming. You're streaming? I can't hardly see much because this light's in the way. I don't know where to go get this light off me.
Walk into the dark.
I'm gonna get away from this light. This might help. Well, that one failed. We're in Leitchfield. I'm gonna share this real quick. I'm gonna invite people to watch this real quick. There we go. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. There we go. I can zoom in just a little bit. Again, this is the fireworks in Leitchfield. People driving down there by the electric company. Looks like Mother Nature's putting on her own light show with heat lightning too. Well, that failed. If you guys are watching the live from over on the square at the Freedom Fest, comment if you guys are watching from over there. Do we have anybody watching from the square? I'm still on live. The live stream's actually working better, actually. I was able to zoom in on the live. It's got this new feature since it upgrade, you can zoom in. But yeah, comment down below if anybody's watching from the square, watching the live from the square. That failed. It's a computer system. I wonder how they programmed the computer system to shoot them off. If the city owns that. So if there's anybody watching the live from the Aquatic Center, College, or the Square, let me comment down below if there's anybody watching from there. When I get home later, I'm going to do a weather update on Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. Got some heat lightning. Mother Nature's got to put on her own show. I'm located at the Sicilian Bank on 62. I'm located at the Sicilian Bank. I wonder how much people's getting hit with debris setting them off up there. How much debris is coming down. I'm over here. Again, this is the fireworks in Leitchfield. This is the fireworks in Leitchfield. Somebody's pulling in. I bet some people. Just a drink. I wonder how dangerous it would be to shoot those off. Hey, how dangerous would it be to shoot those off? Last time we went, they didn't shoot a lot. I felt that.
My head's hurting.
My head's not hurting.
Dude, that one felt like it was bad. Should tell you what size shot it was.
I wonder what would feel like standing up close to them and them shooting off. Huh?
If you didn't go out from here, imagine me.
Well, you see, the thing is, when we sat at Pablo's on the porch, you barely even felt those, and they were right by the porch.
See how it lights up the whole sky?
Actually, I think that was heat lightning. Actually, I think that was heat lightning.
I never realized how tall they get because that water tower is
Actually, I think that was. Actually, I think that. Actually.
See like the house or whatever.
That's. I think that was heat lightning. He saw that was the orange flash.
It's just like the
I think. Well, at least the rain's holding off till after. I might check the radar when I get home. That is a lantern. There's two of them. That's something we need to get for 4th of July next year. Is that we need to get one of them.
I really like.
And we still got fireworks left over from 4th of July.
He's gonna become my ring guy. You got me, princess.
I have a feeling if we park where we normally would park it would be 10 times louder.
Wasn't me.
They usually go out pretty quick, the lanterns do. I've always wanted to get one. Hey, maybe next year when we move, we can get it.
It'll be like push off bunny. Few people have done. Mad? It's okay. You can pull me up. Oh, dude, that's not real. Oh, the bumper. Quite good. I can get up without the bumper.
Is y'all's feet asleep? I bet they're probably trying to have competition with these if they're setting them off back there. I think this one's got the fireworks back there beat by a long shot. Dang, yeah. Say what? What'd you say? Yeah, I know. Hey, it could be worse. We could be up there and we'd be covered in it. Yeah, you can. Yeah, you can. You can get covered in gunpowder. That's not it. I think they're having... There ain't no way that that's it. They didn't even do the finale shot. There ain't no way that's it. There ain't no way. So that's it. So I'm gonna say we probably need to wait a little bit. There ain't no way. Dang. Just wondering if they can. It's either that or the thing that shoot them off is it got stuck or something. Huh? Huh? Oh, they did? What? All right. You can. Oh, they're already leaving. It's funny. We can check over there when it's done, see what's going on. I think there might have been an explosion over there. Had to move. Now that's the finale. Come on, shake the ground. Still more.